Hey, how you doing, people? Welcome back. Axtuo's back it at me. How you been? This is a 2020 Jeep Grand Cherokee 3.6 liter engine V6. I'm gonna show you how to do the oil filter housing. All right. So, come on, let's go. Let's get it. Yeah. Pop this guy just like that. There's 10 millimeter right there. Pop it so we can remove this cover. So we're gonna remove the intake. There's a connector here. Okay, loose the clamps here, here, then pry it out. All right. We're gonna have to remove that guy off. This guy too. Whatever you see connected to this intake manifold, we're gonna disconnect it. Like this one, this one, this. There's a clip over here. See the bolt over here? That one. We're gonna isolate this guy. Okay. All right, there's another connector here. Okay, and we're gonna hit this one and this one, so this bracket come off. Through over here, disconnect this guy. Push it up, push it down, and push it out. This one is just a clip. This one, push it all the way down and push it out. Okay, push it down. Remove this guy. 10, 10, 10, 10. All right, you come to the back. There's another bolt. This one. And then this guy right here. Then we're gonna do the 8 on top. 1, 2, 3, 4. You have 8 on top. I use the look like a 7 bolts to me on top. 4 over here, 3 on top. Don't forget these holes. This thing come off. You're also gonna see this foam just move just like that. But we're gonna have to remove this guy right here. Before you disconnect that guy, you see the blue thing? That's a connector for the fuel rail. Okay, that blue thing. You're gonna come over here, disconnect this guy, the 25. That's a fuel pump. Okay, you do this or disconnect the battery. Either one. All right. It's gonna help you if you use this to disconnect the fuel line, the connector. This guy. I'm just saying it helps though. Okay. Now these 4 bolts, and then we disconnect this and put it away. Before you remove these 4 screws, disconnect the injectors. 3 here, 3 here. You see the red ones? Those are the injectors. Pull the safety up, then squeeze it. That's how you disconnect it. Rail come off. Be careful with those blue O-rings, okay? If they're not there, they're on the injector, okay? You need 6. Now we're gonna do this 8 millimeter. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. All right. The lower intake manifold is gonna come off. When you lift it here in the back, you can have like clips. Okay. For those harness, you're gonna be here. And here's our guy. Once you here, disconnect the holes in that connector. If you ask me, I'm gonna remove first the housing. This one over here, 2, 3, 4, 5. Here it is. We're gonna reuse that sensor. The new one comes with a bolt, pretty much. Have to clean all that. I dropped some old rings from the injectors, the blue ones. They are not here. I don't think so. Gotta clean all this. If you're gonna tight these bolts, that's gonna be 12 nm Newton meter or 106 inch pound. All right, it goes like this one, this one, this one, this one, like in cross. Okay, pretty much put everything together. All right, this one's gonna be 80 inch pound. 8 of them. Put the rail back. And we'll put some oil in the old rings of the injectors. 6 of them. This board is gonna be 62 inch pound. Okay. All right, 62 inch pound. All right, connect the rail in the back. Then connect the injectors. Everything goes in reverse now. This guy goes next. Upper intake manifold go next. Don't forget your sponge there. All right. That's how this thing goes, though. All right. Okay. Let's put this back. So it's Gucci right now. These nutters come with the part. This is a 2020, so I have to install this old ring. The part comes with both. So if it comes with this one, you have the 2020, you have to install this one. Just remove it and put whatever applies to that year. If you have a 22, then you put the black one. That's pretty much it. Any questions, you know what to do. Put in the comment box. Holla at your boy, alright? It's me, Axtuo, Burum. Catch me in the next one. Yeah.